Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the preparation methods of alcohol. Preparation method of alcohol. Some preparation methods here discussed. One is preparation of alcohol by hydroboration method, means oxidation of alcohol. Second, reduction of carbonyl compound like aldehyde, ketone. Also, Grignard reagent addition. First preparation method, hydroboration, means oxidation of alkene. Asymmetric alkene reacts with B2H6 or BH3. Hydroboration addition in presence of TH job. This is acts as a solvent. THF means tetrahydrofuran. And here oxidation takes place. In organic chemistry, hydroboration or oxidation of alkene in two-step reaction and alkene is converted into alcohol. That is terminal alcohol here. Asymmetric alkene. Consider one example, propylene. This is asymmetric alkene, propene or propylene. Reacts with BH3 or B2H6. Here boron is a electropositive. Boron हा काय इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह आहे. इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह असल्यामुळे electrons of the boron goes towards the hydrogen and hydrogen carry negative charge. Here one electron of this boron also goes towards the hydrogen and hydrogen carry negative charge. Here also boron carry positive charge. Here this electron of the boron also goes towards the hydrogen and hydrogen carry negative charge and boron carry positive charge. Means boron carry 3 positive charge. This positive charge and negative charge reaction takes place, means negative charge attack on this positive charge and this positive reacts with negative. Here this CH3 group, जो CH3 group आहे तो electron donating आहे, means this group electron donate towards here and show the plus ion inductive effect here. Here show plus ion inductive effect. This goes towards here and carry negative charge. Here carry positive charge. Means this hydrogen goes towards here and this negative charge attached to here. Means formation of this here CH2. This hydrogen goes towards this CH, means CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH2, CH3. Means 3 alkene here required. And then this reacts with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide सोबत ही reaction होईल, means hydrogen peroxide OH bond OH. Here also thrice H2 to here OH bond OH. Here also OH bond OH. This boron combines with this thrice OH and formation of the boron OH taken thrice, that is boric acid. Means that boric acid and product CH3, CH2, CH2 bond OH. Terminal alcohol, that is a propanol. According to anti-Marconi curve. इथे कोणता रूल यूज केलेला आहे अँटी मार्कोनिकॉफ्स रूल अँड शो द प्लस आय इंडक्टिव्ह इफेक्ट अँटी मार्कोनिकॉफ्स रूल काय सांगते व्हेन अनसिमेट्रिकली अल्कीन reacts with unsymmetrically reagent the negative part of the reagent goes towards the carbon atom having greater number of the hydrogen atom. This is an inductive effect and inductive effect in presence of the peroxide. This is the hydroboration and due to hydroboration oxidation of alkene takes place and formation of the terminal alcohol here. You understand? हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्कीन मध्ये दोन टर्म्स लक्षात ठेवा अल्कीन मध्ये प्लस आय इंडक्टिव्ह इफेक्ट शोधा होतो आणि अँटी मार्कोनिकॉफ्स रूल इथे फॉलो होतो ड्यू टू द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ peroxide and formation of alkene is converted into terminal alcohol. Second preparation method, reduction. Reduction method means addition of hydrogen. Reduction means काय? Addition of hydrogen. मग हा hydrogen in the form of H2 असेल or in the form of nascent hydrogen असेल. H2 किंवा nascent hydrogenच्या फॉर्म मध्ये तुम्ही रिडक्शन करताल. मग here reduction takes place. मग रिडक्शन कसं takes place होते by reduction of aldehyde or ketone. Ketones means carbonyl group. Which group? Carbonyl group. Carbonyl group means those compound contain C double bond O, and this C double bond O is converted into CHOH by reduction method. This C double bond O is converted into CHOH by reduction method. Means aldehyde general RCHO. This is the aldehyde. CHO means C double bond O H undergo the reduction means addition of the H2 in presence of the nickel catalyst or nickel platinum palladium so on to give H2 molecular. One hydrogen goes towards this carbon atom and another hydrogen goes towards the oxygen atom and formation of the alcohol COH means RCH2OH means aldehyde undergo the reduction reaction to give primary alcohol. Aldehyde पासून काय मिळणार आहे primary alcohol and ketone RCOR undergo the reduction reaction in presence of the catalyst nickel platinum palladium so on to give RCOH R means RCHROH, that is a secondary alcohol. Ketone पासून secondary alcohol and aldehyde पासून primary alcohol. Here use reducing agent. Nickel, platinum, palladium, these are the catalyst. Also reducing agent lithium aluminium hydride. This is good reducing agent. Also sodium mercury, sodium amalgam water. This is also reducing agent. Means aldehyde RCHO undergo the reduction in presence of lithium aluminium hydride and acidic hydrolysis takes place here and formation of the RCH2OH. Ketone RC double bond O R. This is also undergo the reduction reaction in presence of the catalyst and undergo the hydrolysis to give secondary alcohol. This is the ketone and aldehyde. When unsaturated aldehyde or unsaturated ketone means consider CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. This is unsaturated aldehyde. Here C double bond OH. This unsaturated aldehyde undergo the reduction. First, use lithium aluminum tetrahydride is 3O plus acidic hydrolysis. Here, in presence of the nickel catalyst, reduction takes place both, but some change here. This nickel or platinum reduction undergo the presence of nickel or platinum catalyst. This double bond also reduced participate in the reduction reaction and formation of the CH3CH2 CH2OH. लक्षात घ्या, ज्यावेळेस निकेल किंवा प्लॅटिनम कॅटलिस्ट तुम्ही रिडक्शन रिएक्शन मध्ये यूज करतात आणि अनसॅच्युरेटेड अल्डिहाइड और कीटोन असेल तर जो डबल बॉन्ड आहे तिथेही रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस होईल, तिथे एडिशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन होईल आणि डबल बॉन्ड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंगल बॉन्ड. पण ज्यावेळेस लिथियम अॅल्युमिनियम हायड्रेट तुम्ही यूज करता ॲट दॅट टाइम रिडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस only this C double bond O is converted into CHO, means here converted into CH2OH, means unsaturated aldehyde or unsaturated ketone is converted into unsaturated alcohol किंवा by using lithium aluminum hydrate. आणि ज्यावेळेस निकेल प्लॅटिनम कॅटलिस्ट यूज करतात त्यावेळेस जो अनसॅच्युरेटेड बॉन्ड आहे तो सुद्धा रिडक्शन रिएक्शन मध्ये पार्टिसिपेट होतो आणि कन्वर्ट इनटू सॅच्युरेटेड. सेकंड, बाय रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड. Carboxylic acid also contain carbonyl group COOH, means C double bond OOH. These are C double bond OOH undergo the reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydrate, undergo the acidic hydrolysis, then is converted into CH2OH. Carboxylic acid undergo the reduction by using a strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydrate, undergo the hydrolysis to give the primary alcohol, means carboxylic acid is converted into primary alcohol by reduction method. By addition of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. You know Grignard reagent means RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. That is a alkyl magnesium halide. That is a Grignard reagent. And addition of this Grignard reagent on carbonyl group. Which group? Carbonyl group. Consider aldehyde, ketone or carboxylic acid. कोणताही कार्बोनिल ग्रुपवर कशा पद्धतीने ऍडिशन होते पहा. C double bond O, addition of this RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. This magnesium carry delta positive charge and alkyl carry delta negative charge. This negative group attack on this carbon atom shifted towards here, means Mg attack on this. This reaction carry in presence of the triether. Here R and this OMgX, formation of the magnesium complex, that is a unstable magnesium complex, and then this magnesium complex undergo the hydrolysis and to formation of the R C OH plus MgX formation of this alcohol. Acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of the dry ether. Simple. This carry negative charge, positive charge. Electron goes towards here, means negative part attack on this carbon atom and magnesium. Then formation of this magnesium complex CH3 as it is. This CH3 goes towards here, H as it is, OMgX, that is magnesium unstable complex. This is undergo the hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis here takes place and formation of the CH3 C H bond CH3 and here OH, that is isopropyl alcohol plus MgX OH. Second example for here, acetone. Specific example for this acetone. Addition of the methyl magnesium iodide in presence of the dry ether gives CH3 C OMg R, here CH3, here also CH3. Means carry negative charge, positive charge goes towards here, this attack on here and undergo the acidic hydrolysis to give tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol plus MgIOH. Means aldehyde gives secondary alcohol by addition of Grignard reagent on aldehyde gives secondary alcohol and ketone gives a tertiary alcohol. Only formaldehyde HC double bond OH undergo the addition of this Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means RMgX. Addition of this Grignard reagent on formaldehyde gives HCHOMgX and R. This undergo the hydrolysis to give RCH2OH, means primary alcohol. Three terms here conclude. First, addition of the Grignard reagent on formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Addition of the Grignard reagent on aldehyde, another aldehyde except formaldehyde, then formation of the secondary alcohol, and addition of the Grignard reagent on ketone, it gives tertiary alcohol. Here CH3 CH double bond CH2 B2H6 diborate in presence of the THF, then undergo the peroxide. Means diboration addition. You know काय सांगितले diboration addition ज्यावेळेस होते at that time formation of the R3B, this compound first, and then reacts with the peroxide and formation of the terminal alcohol according to anti-Markovnikov rule. CH3 CH2 CH2 OH here means propyl alcohol, and this THF acts as a solvent, that is a tetrahydrophenol. Another one, concentrated H2SO4 and then undergo the hydrolysis. Here also this double bond is converted into alcohol, but here oxidation of this alkene converted into alcohol, but this double bond also converted into alcohol. Here also oxidation takes place, but here Markovnikov's rule. Use Markovnikov's rule. And formation of this double bond is converted to single bond. Next week, Grignard reagent. Consider one example. CH2, CH2, OO. This is ethyl epoxide reacts with RMgX in presence of the dry ether. You know, magnesium carry positive charge, here negative charge, means CH2 bond CH2. This O MgX and here carry R, means R undergo the hydrolysis, RCH2 CH2OH plus MgXOH, formation of the alcohol. The properties of alcohols. First, nature of intermolecular process. Alcohols are polar molecule. Alcohols are polar molecule. Here ROH, this oxygen carry delta minus charge and alcohol carry delta plus charge, and polar character here develop. Here intermolecular hydrogen bonding is also present, means negative, positive. This intermolecular hydrogen bonding here present. Hydrogen bonding present. Second, lower alcohols. Alcohols are colorless liquid. Colorless liquid and specific alcoholic odor. Third, boiling point. Boiling point of the alcohol increases with increasing molecular weight or molecular mass. Solubility. Alcohols are soluble in water because or due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Means alcohol formation of the hydrogen bonding with water and easily soluble. This oxygen carry delta negative charge, here positive, negative, positive, means carry here, and formation of this. Therefore, alcohol soluble in the water. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe it, share it.